how to add a countdown widget on iPhone. Subscribe for more quick tips. First, open App Store on your phone. In the search bar, type and search countdown. Now install this app and open it. Tap on New Countdown. Allow the notification. Now set your event. Write name, add emoji, and event date. Few features are not available in free versions. When you are done, tap on Save at the top. Now go back to your home screen. Tap and fold anywhere in your screen. At the top, tap on Edit. Select Add Widget. Set the countdown widget here. Now choose the pattern you like. Then tap on Add Widget at the bottom. And that's it.